Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to print in Excel in just a couple of minutes. I'll be showing you this on Windows. Press Ctrl plus P on your keyboard, or click the File menu in the top left corner and select Print. This opens the Print Preview window. You'll see a preview of your spreadsheet on the right side of the screen. Review that preview. If your spreadsheet has multiple pages, click Next Page or Previous Page at the bottom of the preview window to see how each page will look. The page count shows at the bottom so you know exactly how many pages you're about to print. Under Settings on the left side, look for the Print Active Sheets dropdown. Click the arrow next to it. You'll see three options. Print Active Sheets prints just the current sheet you have open. Print Entire Workbook prints every sheet in the file. Print Selection prints only the cells you've selected. Select the option that matches what you need to print. Now set the number of copies. At the top of the Settings panel, you'll see a Copies box. Type in however many copies you want. Just below that is a printer drop-down. Click it and select which printer you want to use if you have more than one connected. Next, adjust the page orientation. Find the orientation drop-down in the Settings section. You can switch between Portrait and Landscape. Portrait shows more rows but fewer columns, while Landscape fits more columns but fewer rows. The preview updates immediately so you can see which one works better for your data. Now adjust the margins and scaling. Click the Margins drop-down and choose between Normal, Wide, or Narrow. If your spreadsheet is too large to fit on one page, click the Scaling drop-down. You'll see options like Fit Sheet on one page, Fit all columns on one page, or Fit all rows on one page. Select the one that makes your data readable without cutting anything off. Click the big Print button at the top of the Settings panel. The Print dialog closes, and your document gets sent to the printer. One important thing to know: Excel saves your print settings with the workbook when you save the file. So next time you print this same spreadsheet, all your orientation, margin, and scaling choices will still be there. Check the physical printout to confirm it matches what you saw in the preview. Thanks for watching.